If I give you $1,000, what are you going to do? Start a business? Well, that's going to be the obvious answer. Or some people might actually go and spend it, and some 1,000 means nothing to you. Well, this video is for people that have $1,000 for the first time and don't know what to do. I'm the Immortal, and welcome to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and share this video to someone that might find this useful in the future. Well, you have $1,000 for the first time and you don't know what to do with it. You might say, okay, I want to start a business, I want to go into dropshipping, I want to go into e-commerce. That's a very good thing, especially if it's your first money. Or some of you might actually say, okay, I want to invest the money, because investing money will obviously give you more money as you are piling it up. It's a very good thing. I'm not going to tell you that it's a bad thing or you shouldn't do it. You can go ahead to do it if it's something that is going to help you, but there's a better solution. The first 20 years of your life is obviously the year you're going to learn something. It's going to be a year for education. It's going to be a year you're going to know the real world for the first time, because you're going to get your first job. It's going to be different from the time your parents are giving you money. So since you're seeing this part of the world for the first time, what exactly are you going to do? You're going to learn, obviously. You're going to learn this different kind of skill that's going to help you in the real world. And in terms of money making, you're going to learn every and all kind of skill. You're going to learn video editing if need be. You're going to learn dropshipping. You're going to learn e-commerce. You're going to learn leadership. You're going to learn communication. All kind of skill. When you see money for the first time, especially if it's a big money that you're not making, a lot of people might say, oh, go start a business. And some of us will just go, yeah, we need to start a business. It's a very good thing. But imagine if you learn from Bill Gates, you learn from Dangote, you learn from Mark Zuckerberg, you learn from Alibaba, you learn from all the billionaires in the world. Even though it's just like a 5-minute learning, imagine the knowledge you'll gain from each and every single one of them. Try piling it up to them. You're going to be the sum of every one of them. Let's say you plan to make money through starting a YouTube channel. You need to learn video editing, you need to learn sales, you need to learn communication. You might ask yourself, I need that $1,000 to eat, and obviously you're going to eat, obviously you're going to buy some things. For some of you that are below the age of 20, you have $1,000. $1,000 is going to be too much for you to live off. You said, yeah, I have clothes, I have shoes, I have this I want to go and buy. But one thing you're going to try to do is try and live off $200, then $800, invest it in knowledge. If you have $5,000, the same thing. If you have $100, invest 80% of your money in knowledge, at least for the first 6 months of your life. Then once you have that, you can start increasing every step of the way. The thing about knowledge is that knowledge is going to be a very useful tool whenever you want to be a better business person, whenever you are going about to improve yourself. You can't become a billionaire without knowing some few skills. You can't become a billionaire without being good in sales. You can't become a billionaire without being good in technology and recent technology. It doesn't necessarily you are a programmer, you're a coder or everything. All you just need is the knowledge. Keep on gathering knowledge from different sources, and once you pile them up together, you're going to become a better person in terms of business and in terms of money making. And from there, you can go into whatever skill you want to go into, because you already have knowledge of what you want to do, and that's going to give you more money. If you want more knowledge of finance, you can check these videos out. I'm the Immortal, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Bye.